Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel your Paramount Plus subscription on your app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, you cannot cancel your subscription of Paramount Plus from your app. You need to open a web browser and type in the URL www.paramountplus.com to cancel your subscription from its official website. So once you're in the official website of Paramount Plus, all you need to do is simply tap on your name, and once you tap on your profile, you need to now tap on your account section that is right below your manage profiles option. So once you tap on accounts, you will be redirected to this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply scroll down and come in the subscription section. So in the subscription section, you can find a section called cancel subscription. So simply tap on the option called cancel subscription, tap on the consent box, and then tap on yes cancel. So after you do this, you will be able to now be redirected to a different kind of page where you need to now submit the reason why you want to cancel your subscription. And once you have given the reason and tapped on complete cancellation, you will be successful in canceling your subscription of Paramount Plus. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.